here is the room, and this is my mom and dad's room. So we're living in Park, and this is a normal deluxe room if you are coming. So this is a bed, a little bar, and study area. This is the washroom. It's very normal, very decent thing, not too fancy. Yeah, I like the setting of this room though. Bed, and this is my mom. Hi mom. So this is my mom, and let's see the outside view how it is. So this is the outside view. It's a normal Delhi view, so it's in CP. We're living in Park. So this is a decent deluxe room in Park. So okay, so this is a deluxe room. My mom dad is living in the deluxe room, but I think they have a better view than us. So I'm just gonna show you the view. So look at this view. They have the swimming pool facing room. So I really miss that in my room. But yeah, that's pretty fine. This is me. I'm wearing this orange skirt, which is from Janpat, and this top is from Shein, which says honey. And I'm wearing, my lip color is Lakme Scarlet Drill, and I'm wearing these shoes from Shein again. Yeah, that's pretty quite my outfit. Now I'm gonna show you my room, which is a little luxury, but yeah, not too fancy at the same time. So yeah, let's go. So we are entering my room now. This is my room, and we have a mirror in the very start that I really like. A little wardrobe that I really don't need. So this is the washroom, pretty same as the deluxe one. So yeah, not too fancy. I needed a bathtub though. And this is my father. Hi dad. So this is a little lounge area, a little bed that me and my brother are gonna share, and a little study area, TV, and yeah, that's it. Now this is the view, so we can see the flag of India, the Tiranga, from here, and it's pretty beautiful view. I really like this view because I can exactly see the flag from here, so it's very nice. It's all over, the greenery is all over there. I really like it. I'm gonna take you to the pool side. So it's currently 6:54 as in 7 p.m. and I'm standing in the hotel lobby. So this is the hotel lobby look, and I'll show you the view outside. I can see right now, which is this camera focus. So I can see this view full of greenery and our flag, and it's beautiful. I'm loving this view right now. I'll just show you. There's some pool party going on over here. I'll just show you. So I think there's some baby's birthday party going on, so it's really pleasing and nice to see little kids swimming around. And yeah, and we're just going to get ready. We're just going to get ready now and head to the garden or sit near the pool and chill for some time, and then go and grab some dinner. My dad and my brother are sleeping like lazy asses, and my mom and me, we both are planning to go and chill downstairs. So we're gonna do that, and I'll catch you guys in some time.